I will show you how to make a paracopter. Let's cut a round part of a PET bottle. Draw a circle of an inch diameter with a compass inside of the curved surface. The pinhole of a compass becomes the center of the turn. Cut a circle like an electric fan. If asymmetry, not turn well and run around on the desk. Four-wing paracopter is easy to make and it flies high, the smaller the higher. Bend all the wings by your thumbnail in the same way. Paint it primary color not to lose sight of the paracopter. Cut the straw in half. Blow paracopter slowly from the height of 4 inches. Lower the straw and approach to it approximately a half inch. Then blow hard and turn the paracopter at the highest speed. If you hear a large sound of its turn, lift up straw quickly. If you make a paracopter well, it flies up to 10 feet.